Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to narrate the summary of the lesson We are not afraid to die if we can all be together from Hornbill book class 11 CBSE board. So are you ready? Listen this summary very carefully and attentively. While listening this summary, subscribe my channel so that you may get more videos related to English literature and grammar. Students, this lesson is based on sea voyage. This lesson is based on sea journey. The object of this journey is to tackle the southern Indian Ocean. 200 years ago, there was made a sea journey by Mr. James Cook. So the writer of this lesson wants to do the same sea journey. He wants to make a duplicate journey of like Mr. James Cook. So first I want to tell you the characters of this story. The first character of this story is Gordon Cook or John Cook. His wife is Mary. His son is Jonathan or Joe. His daughter is Suzanne or Sue. There are two more characters. They are the sailors, Mr. Larry from America and Mr. Herb from Switzerland. So these are the characters of this story. And now I want to tell you that you know very well that a sea journey is impossible without a ship. A ship is very necessary for a sea journey or sea voyage. So the writer had made a ship. He had given his ship the name Wave Walker. This ship was wonderfully designed. This ship was equipped with modern facilities. This ship was equipped with all the facilities of daily life. It was a fit ship for their journey. Anyway, they started their journey in July 1976. After starting their journey in July 1976, first they reached 105,000 km up to the Cape Town. And after reaching the Cape Town, when they proceeded, they had to face a strong windstorm and a heavy waves fell on their ship. This storm and heavy waves had smashed the ship a little bit. It had destroyed the ship a little bit. There was a hole in the ship. There was some holes in the ship. The curtain of the ship had fallen. So the ship needed some repairing very badly. Otherwise it will be drowned. So the writer and his co-sailors started repairing the ship. First the writer took a canvas curtain and he wanted to cover the whole of the ship so that the water should not come to the ship. And the ship was filled with water, so the writer needed hand pump, and he started pumping the water out of the ship through a pipe. And but this pump was not working properly. This pump was now out of use, so they took electric pump, but unfortunately this electric pump was not functioning because of short circuit. So they were feeling helplessly. Anyway, the writer had dropped the storm jib. He had accomplished the life raft and he had attached to the life-saving boat and life-saving jacket. Then the writer remembered one spare electric water pump. He immediately brought the electric water pump and started pumping the water out of the ship through a pipe, and he was a little successful. This this accident was happened on January 2. January 2 was very dangerous. And now I want to mention you that the night of January 2 was very uncomfortable. They had to pump the water all night. They had to steer the ship all night. They had to repair the ship, and all night they were sending radio signal for help. The writer took his map and he was investigating. Then he came to conclusion that the nearest island is Isle Amsterdam, and he wanted to reach there. Only on reaching there, their life might be saved. Isle Amsterdam was volcanic island, so the writer on this island 28 people lived. Finally, the ship reached Isle Amsterdam, and the people of Isle Amsterdam received the writer and his family and friends, so their life was saved and protected. Now I want to mention some more point of this lesson, of this summary, so that you will have no doubt. When the writer and his family and his co-sailors started the journey was comfortable and there was no problem. They celebrated New Year in the ship. So you will have understood that till 1 January the journey was safe and sound, and the problem occurred on January 2. I want to mention you that the most problem occurred on January 2, from morning to night. The heavy, strong wind, the heavy waves which fall on the ship and smashed the ship from morning to night. So you will have known that January 2 was very dangerous for them. On January 2, they had to repair their ship. They had to pump water out of the ship. They had to steer the ship. They had to send radio signal for help. So January 2 was very dangerous. And finally, they reached on Isle Amsterdam Island on 3 January. So students, how do you like this story? Listen this story very carefully and attentively. Share this story to the students of class 11. Give your feedback, comment, and subscribe my channel Home Education. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.